happened to her? She is crying? Yes, but maybe crying. And she is crying. I will go to her. Sir, perhaps she is crying.
Wait, Michael, don't go. There's a woman. It will approach you.
No, I will not approach the woman. I will help it.
Michael, be careful. The woman will be serviced. You just slow down.
Okay. Shh, it's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Don't cry. Don't cry. Do not cry. I am your best friend. Oh my God. Everyone, that woman is crying on the bus, but she is crying. How? Oh.
Battery, you're fine. Just do as you willed.
Okay, finally. I was not doing it.